What's up guys, welcome back to another brand new video in the gaming video. So guys, magduwa tanan Minecraft education. So if you like this video, just drop a like and subscribe. If you haven't subscribed, just subscribe, and don't forget to share and hit the bell and turn on notification that you cannot miss my daily video. So guys, let's I think we're gonna create new world. Yeah, new world. So yeah, I think this is the new world, I guess. So let's play it. Let's go. So guys, I'm back and I will upload as many as possible para ma-amount gyapon sa ako mga videos gyapon na 5 videos tana mo abot gyap nito guys. So mag-upload gyap ako biskan 1 hour biskan kun gyap biskan bago pa guys mag-upload gyap ako guys kay kuan man para madamon kong kay madabuan videos tapos madabo sa views. So guys, pangita guys tak mga latest creations para ma kuan yapon pa continue gigip na akin na channel. So guys, supportahan mo yun na channel guys kay amin na ako second channel Mr. Vlog. I hope guys na guys if na enjoy ka mo dito sa video. So building pattern tanda kanat loading na guys. Okay, we're in here. Oh my god, sorry for the lagness. Oh my gosh, we're so fucking lag. Holy shit. Oh my god. First things first, we're gonna make a wooden that I like. So first things first, chop this tree and oh my gosh guys, sorry for the lagness. It's so freaking lag. And yeah, so we're gonna make some crafting table and we have supposed to make some tools for chopping trees. So we're gonna do that. So this one and this one for mining. Yeah, so we're gonna I think maybe later we're gonna mining. Oh my gosh bro, so laggy. Can never control this game. What the heck? Holy cow, what in the heck is going on? Okay, so laggy. It is so laggy. Damn bro, what the? Oh hell no bro. Oh hell no bro. Oh god damn. How so laggy. I'm sorry guys for the lagness. I'm very sorry. But I'm gonna still playing this game. This is episode 1. So I'm gonna add this to the playlist. Episode 1. Just playing Minecraft with lagness. I think when we're gonna beat this chat. I mean, I'm not streaming, but so let's chop this another tree. Just holy. Okay, so holy nah, bro. Who the heck? Bro, look, I can't even. Okay, and then, oh hell no, bro. Oh hell no. So let's go mining. Let's find a cave. Oh, look, it's a ravine. Let's go down. We're just gonna ignore the lagness. Hopefully my game doesn't crash because I play in Android. So let's mine this cobblestone because we need furnace. Oh look, there's a freaking coal. Let's mine that too, and I'm not gonna mine the copper because it doesn't do anything unless it's a useful or something else. Oh my gosh, bro. What the heck? What? Something is. Guys, I'm sorry guys if you didn't hear my this Minecraft sound effects. Look, if I press the turn up button in the volume, look, that happens. At the low, that happens. Oh, let's jump. It's over here. Oh, forget this. Yeah. Here you go, guys. Now you can definitely hear that. Go. There's some mining somewhere. Okay, so yeah, we're gonna back to the gaming thing, and all. It's been 9 minutes. I will make part 2. Okay. donde ako, pero say Mr. Vlog, pero it's kind of, you know, mixed into a glitter slash gaming slash vlogging slash entertainment. So maybe fix. So maybe later we're gonna go back to the review. Holy crap. Let's make some furnace and let's cook this. But we need some food to cook this baby. Okay. It's just so loud. It is so loud. Okay, let's. I'm sorry guys that I killed one cow because I only want one. So I got that and let's eat that. Okay, let's find some. We're gonna make a house right over here. It's like a small little house. Like that, and the rest. Okay, let's zombie. Oh my god. We go to the house. Let's go to the house. Safely. Guys, I will end the video here and I will see you guys to another part 2.